In a garden shed with tools all around, click and turn's magic makes the sweetest sound. Spinning lumber and squinting under the light, crafting decorations until the light.
Hello, Paul from Click and Turn here again. Sorry I'm late with this video. It's been a bit of a traumatic couple of weeks. I haven't turned anything for like 3 weeks now. Bit of luck, I recorded some things in advance. Anyway, so those of you who remember my Hazel bowl, it's really warped out of shape. Very bizarrely, because the first one I turned didn't warp at all. Anyway, so I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit bananaed. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to straighten out the base. I'm going to leave the top as it is and have it sitting flat on a table again. That's the plan. Stan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have. One of my old foam pads in there. It's on the rubber gripped jaws. It's nice and firm and as wobbly as you'd expect. So anyway, it's either going to work or it's going to fail. We'll soon find out, won't we? With a freshly sharpened gouge. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. This is either going to be very quick or very protracted. And I suspect, knowing my luck this week, it will be very protracted. Okay. Knocky knocky. Well, as you can see, we've not quite gone down far enough yet because we've still got some of the 3 lines on there, but it's looking a lot flatter than it was, which is a good thing, quite obviously. Do a little bit more. Okay, I'm happy with that. Dookie dook, here we go, a bit of 120 paper. Let's give it a whiz. I'm just going to put some detail back in the bottom again where the last ones were. pencil out and mark that one. Bit of 240. Cool. Not that you noticed any difference, but I just had to go and get me a power adapter so I could charge my lamp. Anyway, that aside, oily waxy rag time. And there we are, a flat bottom. Well, there we are. So that was probably one of the quickest videos I've ever produced. Here we are, that good old hazelnut bowl that warped into a very warpy shape with a very warpy bottom. Anyway, so now we've got a flat bottom again, the details back in there, and now you can put your bits and pieces in there without it wobbling around like a wobbly thing on wobbly day during wobbly year. So once again, my apologies for the late video arrival. I'll try and do better, but as I said, it's been a rather heavy couple of weeks at least. But I'm back now. If you've liked this little production, please give it the thumbs up, subscribe, share away to your heart's content, and I look forward to seeing you again in next week's video. Tron!